Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to count that how many words you have in a Excel cell, then this video is for you. So right now you can see I have some sentences here. So you can see I have some words with the spaces. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces here. So let me see if there's any other space. No, so there is only 6 space, so that means we got 7 words. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words with this comma. So it should be here, that written here, that 7 words. So for that, but we have to first we have to just remove this space and count it without space. So we are going to get the result without result of the character or the word without this space here. So for that we are going to simply add the equal to substitute. So we are going to use the substitute formula. So double click on it. Now you have to select the text itself. So here it is. Now after selecting that, you have to choose the word that you want to remove. So I'm going to remove the space here. So for that we are going to add the double quotation mark and hit a space for one time and hit another comma, and we are going to add 2 quotation mark, double quotation mark for nothing actually. Just like this, when we have added this formula, hit enter, and you can see it has just appeared without any type of space. You can see there is no space here between these words. Now you have to do this, double click on this again, and you can find the formula. Now place your cursor before the substitute. Now we have to do is right now we are going to use the length formula to count the length of this whole sentence, that how much character we do have. So we are going to add the length. Here it is. Now hit enter. Sorry for that. Double click on it, and here is length. So I'm going to add length here and double click on length program here, and you can do is after adding the length you can place your cursor at the very last and close this bracket here with the first bracket and hit enter, and you can get the character count from here. Now we are going to delete this character from the whole cell here. So for that we're going to add another len length formula, and we are going to select this cell where the text is. Now close it and hit the minus key in on your keyboard and add a minus here. Now when you have added this, you can find there is 6 here. So it is showing the spaces numbers here, but remember always there will be plus 1 word then the space number. So sorry for that. Hit enter. So for example this one here, so there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 space. So that's mean there is 6 words. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. So you can see this will actually the same. So you have to do is, if you want to add a word count, so you have to do is add a plus 1, because there will be 1 extra word than the space count. After adding that, you have to hit enter, and there is 7 words. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you want to do the for the whole entire sheet here, so you have to do is place your cursor on this point here, this green dot. Now drag the to the very end, and you can see it has just counted the word here. So just like this. But there is something like this is empty cell, but it is counting 1 here. So if you want to get rid of this error, then you have to do is place your cursor at the very first, and simply write if. So we are going to use this if function here. So double click on it. Now select the cell. So if the cell equal 0, so we are going to add comma, 0, we are going to add comma, so the output will be 0. So we are going to add empty, so the cell is empty, so this double quotation mark for the two time is indicating the empty cell. Now hit this comma icon here and add 0. So if the cell is empty, it should show you 0. Now hit enter. Sorry for that here. So just like this. So don't forget to add the comma here as like mine. Now hit enter. So just like this. Okay, and here is a problem that we are forget to close this here. Now close the bracket. So close this function here and hit enter. Now the function is where currently, but here is 1 again. But you can do is simply drag this as like before, and you can see it has just 0. So if you just go to this cell here like 0, so this is empty, it will also show you 0. But there, if I add anything like any word, then hit enter, there will count the 1, just like this. And if I hit a space, just like this. So space, and we are going to add something like space here, and we like. So you can see the 2 characters is just counted here. And if I just add another one that's here, it will count the 3rd word also. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.